Sorry.
So happy Wednesday, everyone. How's everyone doing?
Good. How about
Very
you?
good. So happy to see everyone's faces today. We see some new faces, and to everyone that's been participating, thank you so much. So today's lesson, who wants to tell me what we'll be talking about?
Time.
Clocks, right? Time. And why is it important to know about time and reading a clock? Amanda?
Because it's good to our times.
It's good to tell time, right? To know how to tell time. But why else would it be important to know how to tell time? Taylor?
Because if you have to be somewhere or you have to know what the time is, else you don't be late.
Right. So if you have to be somewhere at a specific time, right?
Yeah.
You know that
get him.
Right. You know you have to get there by that time, and you have to know how to read a clock to know that you're not going to be late, right?
Right.
So I sent out a video. The what?
Else your boss will get mad at you if you be late.
Your boss will be mad at you. Well, not mad, but yes, you can get in trouble. It's not good to be late, you know, when you go to work or for an interview or at an event, right? If an invitation tells you you have to be there at a specific time, you have to know when to leave by a certain time and so forth. Robert?
Buddy, you be work on time. Oh, come back here.
To be on work on time, right? Very good. Kevin, did you have something to say? I'm sorry.
Water.
Did you have something to say? Okay.
Oh, me or somebody else?
You, Kate?
Yeah, I was just saying that when you're saying all that, it makes me think of yesterday's lesson about respect. So being on time shows respect for that person or business and yourself, that you're, you know, wanting to put your best foot forward and have a good presentation of who you are. Anyway, that was it. I said that.
Very good. Like impression, a first impression or a memorable impression was the word yesterday, right?
Yeah.
So that's when you're late, and oftentimes that's the impression that they get, right? So we don't want to give someone that memorable impression. So did everyone?
Oh, that's loud.
Sorry. Let me see if. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Did everyone get a opportunity to see the video I sent?
Yes.
All right. So.
Nashville.
Yes.
What kind of video?
Does anybody want to tell her what video it was?
Clocks, all about clocks and time.
Okay, one at a time. So, Ashley, you said.
Well, if you're there, you go, Robert.
So you said, Ashley, what was it about?
Clocks and time.
Clocks and times. Robert?
Hours and minutes.
Hours and minutes. Very good. So it explains all that different things about a clock. But if you didn't get an opportunity to see the video, I'm going to go ahead and share the screen with.
Okay, good. I can see it.
Okay. Everyone can see it?
Yes.
I see it.
That's it.
Very good.
Oh.
Okay, so here is an explanation of a clock, right? So here it tells you. Everyone can see it?
I can see it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Robert, you want to go ahead and explain the top part on the clock?
All right.
Oh, look at the worksheet. What time is it? That's the worksheet we're on.
Yeah, the same one. Yeah.
Let me see your worksheet, Robert. Scoot it a little closer. Yes. Okay. So what is it explaining in the top? On the top, it's giving the numbers, right?
Yeah.
And when it's the numbers, what is that?
12 hour.
The 12. Very good, Jose. Thank you. The hour. So the 12, the 1, the 2, the 3, and so forth, all the way back to the 12 is the hour. So what hand is on the hour?
Long hand.
What? Yeah.
Thomas?
I know.
What is
Nash-
it? What?
Natalie.
2
Yes.
o'clock.
Natalie.
Yes, Amanda.
You can see me?
Yes.
Okay.
Angelica joined, and so that's why it showed up on the screen.
Very good. All right. Let's continue, though. Let's stay on task.
Hold on. Sorry. So excited. I'm gonna mute. I'm gonna put it in mute.
No, you're good. You're good. I mean, she's excited. We're excited to see her. Go ahead. Your camera is not on if you did want it on.
Oh, hold on. I'm learning.
Oh, it takes so long. Sorry.
What should I have? What should I do? Oh, start video. Okay.
Yes. There you go. Hello, Angelica.
Hi, Jerica.
This is so awesome.
Hey, Kate and Natalie.
Yes.
Natalie,
Yes.
can I tell you something?
Yes. Go ahead.
I can see you.
I can see all of you.
Okay.
After,
Even here.
Natalie,
Natalie?
after that, I want to tell you something too.
Okay.
If you're on your phone, you might have to switch pages, Amanda, to see
What?
people.
What?
Like,
I can.
swipe. I don't know if you're on your phone. Are you?
No.
Hey, there we go.
Not.
Hey, Kate. Kate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Natalie,
yes.
can I tell you something?
What?
Okay, when I get done all my homework, you may send it back to you?
Nope. You can keep it at home.
Are you
That's why
sure?
Yep. That's why we're reviewing the worksheets on this call so you can make sure you did it right.
Because my sister wants to know, I need to send it back, or can I
Nope.
keep it?
You can keep it. You can create a folder.
Hey, Natalie,
Yes.
Okay, good. I can keep
before
it.
I
Okay.
forget, I wanted to ask you, because it's been on my mind for a while. Have you been going to the cafes and cleaning out all the food that's been expired?
I have. Thank you.
Okay, good. I'm gonna tell my sister I can keep it.
I
She
have.
can keep all my
I
homework.
actually just went on Monday and I took out the rest of the food.
That's cool.
Oh, that's good, because it was on my mind for a while, so.
Well, thank you.
Hey, Natalie.
All right, guys. Oh, let's keep
Natalie.
the questions till the end. Let's
Okay.
stay on task.
On task,
Reviewing
okay.
you're good. Reviewing the lesson. So Thomas, we left off with you.
Yes.
And you said that the little hand, that
Yes.
represents what? Is that explaining the hour or the minute?
The hour. It's 2 o'clock on the
An
paper.
hour. Okay.
Good job.
Very good. So the small hand, when it's pointed to the specific number, that's the hour. So when the small hand is pointed to the 5, what time is it?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Good job. Everyone understands that, Carrie?
Yep.
Natalie. Natalie.
Yes.
What page are you on?
I'm on it's on my screen. It's what time is it?
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay. So Carrie, when the small hand is on the 8, what time is it?
8 o'clock.
Very good. So then if the small hand is representing the hour, What does the longer hand represent, Gabe?
The minutes.
Right. It represents the minutes. So you see those little numbers on my screen? So it's not the 1, 2, and 3. It's the one that starts with 5 and
Yeah.
the inside numbers.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, I
So
see it.
every space that's between the normal numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that represents 5 minutes.
Ooh.
So between every gap,
Mm-hmm.
you are going 5 minutes more.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
So we start with the number 0, which that's the 12, right? It's
Right.
not
Yeah.
going to say 0, but we know that it's 0, 0 when it's directly at the 12, the long hand.
Mhm.
Okay. So if the long hand is at the 0 and we're moving 5 minutes when we get to the 1,
Mhm.
what time is that when it's on the long hand and it's facing the 1?
Five.
Very
105.
good.
job.
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
I
it's
think she said 2:05. Did you?
No,
Huh?
I didn't say the hour, but yes, that's the time that it would be. Correct. I wish I had my small clock here.
So I can keep it. Yeah, I can keep my homework.
Just like I want to keep it.
Kirsha.
The long
Kirsha.
What?
Kirsha.
What?
I love you.
I love you too.
Can we say untask the hand, please? No offense.
Well, she's just being nice.
Focus on
I know, but we're here to learn. Sexy. It also said that the question should be after class.
Right.
Good job, Ashley.
Not be
Great.
rude.
So we said that when the long hand is on the 1,
Mhm.
that's 2:05. When it moves 5 extra minutes,
Mhm.
what does that mean? So if we have 5 and we're adding 5 more, what's that?
10.
And
10.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
good. So the number 2 means it is,
It's 10.
so after the 2 and we add 5 more, what is that?
15.
15.
15.
15. Very good.
I'm doing it.
And then if we continue adding 5 more, what is that? So after 15,
20.
5 more. Very good.
Right.
And then if we add 5 more, so 20 plus 5, Robert?
225.
Very good. 25, right?
25.
And then if we add 5 more, so who wants to do the number 6?
30.
Jose?
Count it.
30.
30, very good. Carrie, the 7?
35.
Very good. Ashley, the 8?
Count it.
Yeah.
So if the 7 is 35 and we're adding 5 more, and that will be the number 8. What's
Yeah.
35 plus 5?
39, 36. What comes before that?
It's 35, Ashley. She was saying the number before that was 35, and she's asking what this number is.
Give her a second, hon.
Okay.
So put 5 fingers up, Ashley.
Uh-huh.
And you already have 35, so we're going to count 36.
36, 37, 38, 39,
9, 40.
40.
Very good.
Yeah. Good job.
So the number 8 is what, Ashley?
40.
40.
Yes.
I love myself.
Who wants to do the next one? 40 plus 5?
Teddy's one.
Amanda, what's 40 plus 5?
Ah. 46? No.
Count by fives, Amanda.
What?
Count by fives.
Let's see.
5, 10, 15,
15, 20,
Let's see.
25,
30.
30,
Keep going.
35.
Keep going.
Let's see.
You can hear me, right?
Yep,
Yep.
keep going.
Okay. 35, 40,
One more time.
45.
Yeah.
I got it.
Very good.
Not good, though.
Good job. So
Thank you.
very good. So 45.
46,
No, so we're counting by fives. Remember, like Miss Alicia said. So what's 45? What goes after that?
50. 50,
50. And then what goes after that?
55.
55,
Very good. And then after that?
46,
60.
Yeah.
60.
60.
Now could that be 65?
No, because
Actually,
when we do the clock, when we see the clock, do we see 60? Do we see 260? What is
No,
all that?
two zeros.
Very
It's all
good.
going back to o'clock.
O'clock.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
So I couldn't just, that's why I had to do a clock.
Hey, TJ.
Bye.
That's why I was kind of stopped it for a few seconds because I was getting the colors. Okay, so here you see them. 0, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30,
30.
5, 20, 15, 10, and 5. So let's do it from the beginning. Let's do it all together. Starting at 12, what are the minutes?
0.
Oh,
0. And what
Five.
do we say? Miss Kate, what do we say when it's blank?
O'clock.
O'clock,
On the
right?
hour, we say
Yeah.
o'clock.
O'clock.
And that means
O'clock.
00 on the minute part.
Exactly. So on the zeros, it's o'clock.
Clock.
o'clock.
Clock.
Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
7.
So what's the 0? What do we say?
O'clock.
O'clock.
Clock.
Very good. And then what goes after?
5,
5.
10.
10,
15.
15,
20.
20,
25, 30.
25,
5.
30,
Barely catch up.
35,
40.
40,
40.
45,
50.
50,
55.
55.
5.
O'clock.
40.
Yeah.
40.
Well, 60 minutes is an hour, so o'clock again.
Mm-hmm.
exactly. So
Yeah.
after we've discussed and identified what everything on the clock means, Jose, do you want to read the first after the clock where it says excuse me?
0.
Well, let Jose do that, Ash.
All right.
Okay.
Do you see it right here to the left?
Yeah, the first one, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, let me just grab mine real quick with it. Okay,
No
yep.
problem.
That first one is 1 o'clock.
Right.
Yeah.
1
So
o'clock.
he said, excuse me, what time is it?
Right.
And they answered,
Yes, ma'am, it's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
very good. So it's 1 o'clock. So we see how that little hand, it's facing the 1, and the long hand, it's facing the what?
O'clock.
O'clock.
The
O'clock.
Very good.
That's a fun word to say.
All right, and the next one below that, Mary, you want to read that one?
It's 9. So the shorthand's on the 9 and the longhand's on the 4.
Very good.
Okay.
So this is showing you different ways that people say and read a clock.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Because every time you pass that number, so let's say the longhand is passing the 1, that's 5 past 3.
Yeah.
10 past blank. Quarter past.
Right.
I always get confused because I always am thinking like whenever it's somebody says half past or whatever, I always get confused because I don't know like what time is that or anything. So
Well,
I just go like to the nearest
half
o'clock and be like, oh, it's 8 o'clock. That's yeah.
right.
Half past
Yeah.
is always 30.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just think of it as literally in the half in the middle. Right? Let's bring out my
Yeah,
clock again.
I mean that makes sense to me because if 60 minutes are in an hour, half past that hour is half of 60, which is 30. So that helps my brain. Everybody thinks of it different. Like I never say it's 20 past 9, but I always say it's 9:20. We're all so different, but it's nice to know all the ways.
It's like when you go out of a person time difference. It's when you go to a different place, like saying you're jet lagged and you went to China or the Netherlands and you're still go home and you didn't set your clock back and blah blah blah.
Time's important, yep.
Yes, it is.
Right. What's next? Jason? Jason, you want to go ahead and do the one on the right-hand side?
I can do it nicely.
Nope. Let's give Jason a chance, Amanda.
Okay.
You could do the next one.
Okay.
Oh,
I can do the next one.
I can do There's yelling, screaming. Sorry. Which one? The 1 o'clock or?
On the
To the right of that.
yeah, it's
9's on the 2, 1:45.
Very good.
Yeah.
And then what's another way that they said it?
A quarter past 2.
Past 2.
A quarter to 2.
A quarter to 4.
Right. And that's another way of saying 1:45.
Uh-huh.
All right, Amanda, you want to do the next one?
Can I go ahead?
Yes, you may.
Okay. It is 2:53.
Very
job.
good. Good job.
Amanda?
So now this is going into those little minutes. You see that? So between, let's just say the 10 and the 11, we know that's 50 and 55, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
And inside those that space, we said that it's 5 minutes.
Right.
Yeah.
So in between, I'm bringing out my handy dandy. So in between the 10 and the 11, there are 5 small dots or lines.
Yeah.
Meaning 1 minute. Right? So for
Right.
one little line, that means that the longhand went around the clock 1 complete time.
Right.
Yeah.
Because in 1 minute, there's 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Right? Kate said, can you repeat how many minutes are in an hour, Kate? You said that earlier.
60.
So in 1 hour, she said there's 60 minutes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
So in 1 minute, there's 60 seconds,
60
but
seconds.
in 1 hour, there's 60 minutes.
That's
Right.
interesting.
You-
You guys understand that?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
All right. So the longhand, since that's the minute, when it goes through a complete minute, that means that it's done. 60
Mhm.
seconds,
Yeah.
right?
Right,
Okay.
right.
How many seconds is 1 minute?
60.
60.
And how many minutes is in 1 hour?
5.
60.
60.
Tricky guys.
60 minutes in an hour.
Yes. So
Yeah.
60. All right. So let's go on the next worksheet.
Oh, that one.
Wait. And then, I got it. I
And
got
this
it.
is going to explain the AM to PM, right? Because
Right.
even though that we have
Oh,
the clock still goes the same way, whether it's AM or PM.
Mhm.
yeah.
Once it gets to a certain time, that's when it turns over to the next day, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So, typical questions. Does everyone have that worksheet in front of them?
Yes.
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 Yes, I sure do.
I don't.
I got it right here.
You see
I
it
can
on the
see it on the
screen, though,
screen.
Carrie, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, OJ.
What up, Jose?
Okay.
Hello.
So we're gonna go ahead and read the questions. Carrie, you want to read the first one of what are typical questions?
What time is it?
Very good.
What time is it?
That's all. Jose, you want to read the next one?
Sure. What time do you have?
All right. So these are
Good
all
job.
asking the same thing, but they're just different ways of asking the question.
Well, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Here, Amanda, you want to read the next one after what time do you have? The one below that one.
What time? Okay.
Do you?
What line again? You saw me?
The third one. The third dot. Do you know right here? Yep.
Where? You saw me?
You. You.
Okay. Wait.
Do
You can hear?
you,
Okay.
do you know?
Oh, okay. I see it. I went by myself.
All right, go ahead.
Did you? Okay. Okay, I can do this.
I know you can. Do you know?
Do you know what? Okay, I can do that. I can't.
Yeah.
Man, it's all right.
All right, it's all right. Take your time.
Okay.
You know?
Do you know what time it is?
Very good. Good job. Do you know the time? Very good.
Sorry.
Taylor, do you want to read the next one?
Do you know?
You know what time is it?
Very good. And then Robert,
Ma'am?
you want to read the
I
next
can't
one
follow.
below that one? What time does?
Time does blank dot finish?
Very good. Thomas, do you want to read the next one?
Yes. What time do you blink do something?
Very good. Jason, the next one?
What time do you wake up? Boy, what time do you go to sleep?
Very good. Kircha, the last one?
When is the morning
Movie?
class
Concert?
concert?
So when is the movie, class, or concert, right?
Movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, when is the class concert or movie?
Okay. So I'll read this part. The native English speaker prefers to use the 12-hour system, not the
What?
24-hour one. What
Uh-huh.
that means is the military time, right, Jose?
That's right.
Yeah.
Right. So after 24, right? So in military time, it doesn't restart. It goes 24, 25, 26.
Yep.
Correct?
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
Grace's
Yes.
watch is
Yeah.
The what?
Latrice's watch is like that.
Oh, really?
I couldn't hear you guys. I'm sorry. What did you say, Taylor?
Latrice's watch is like that.
Military.
Yeah.
Oh, Latrice. I'm so sorry. Latrice's watch is like that.
Yep.
So
Yep.
like 1 o'clock is really 13 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So we use other references to specify the correct time and part of the day. So, Ashley.
Yes.
What is the next section that I'm reading? So after it says, so we use the reference to specify. So let's explain the first part of the day. Do you see where I'm at on my worksheet?
Yes.
All right. What does that mean? Read that part.
A PM.
Nope. Read it again.
AM.
Very good. So, Gabe, do you want to read what AM means?
From Latin, ante meridem.
Meridem.
Meridem. Before noon, that is from midnight to noon, midday.
Very good. So it goes from 12 a.m. all the way to 11:59 a.m.
Yeah.
Because after 12 p.m., that's the next one that we're going to explain. Kevin, are you there?
Oh, yeah, he's still here.
Do you want to explain what PM means, Kevin? You don't have to read the Latin part, but you can read after the equal sign.
Where is that? The examples?
So you see on
the PM. Here. PM.
PM. So you don't have to read the Latin, but what it says after the equal.
After. Yeah. No. That's
Good job.
Midday.
Very good.
Midnight.
Nice job.
Very nice job. Thank you, Kevin. So PM, it's explaining that it's the afternoon, right? And it goes all the way back to midnight.
I'm going down.
Yeah.
And then once you get to midnight, what happens? Amanda?
You wake up.
Well, that's when you should be sleeping. But yes, it's the next day for you to wake up. Correct.
Yeah.
And then it goes back. So what does it change to? So after it gets to 12 to midnight, what does it change back to?
It AM. AM.
Good job, guys.
Yo, if I look sleepy, I don't mean to be sleepy. I just
wake up, Tyler. Wake up, Taylor.
Wake up, Taylor. You need your coffee.
Get up to your bed.
Sorry.
Go outside. Go by the pool.
Hey, Taylor. Hey, Taylor.
What?
Taylor.
What?
You need your coffee.
Jesus, smell the roses and wake up, please.
A frappuccino.
I hate coffee.
You don't like coffee, Taylor?
Give her a tea. Iced tea's might work.
All right. Taylor, take a walk, go to the pool, get some fresh air, wake up, and enjoy the lesson. You can simply mention the part of the day. So it could say, it's blank in the morning, blank in the afternoon, or it's blank in the evening.
Ashley.
Yes.
You can hear me still, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and fill in.
Oh, good. She can still hear me.
So pull out this worksheet that I have on the back screen. And if you haven't done it, who has done it? Has Inspired Living done it already?
I did.
Robert?
I did. Robert.
Yeah.
I've gone along.
Robert?
Yes.
Yeah, I did this already this morning.
All right.
Hey, Nashly,
Oh. No, this one. This one.
Nashly.
What's this one?
Yes, Amanda?
Can I get a pen or pencil for this?
Either way. I prefer pencil. So if you
Okay.
What?
Either one. Either one is fine.
But I prefer a pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can just erase.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You want me to go ahead and put my name on it?
What do we always do to our papers?
And date.
Yeah.
It is the 29th.
It's the 29th.
It's
All right,
29th.
I'm gonna give you guys a chance to get the worksheet out.
Yeah.
What is today's date?
Number one.
It is the
29.
29th.
April 29th.
29th.
What? I can't hear you.
28.
I don't hear Alicia anymore.
What is today's date?
The 29th, Amanda.
The 29th. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
2020.
I'm still here, Taylor.
Okay. Okay. I'm kind of confused. Okay.
So,
Being quiet.
okay. So Robert, are you focused here with me?
I'm with you.
Okay. So number one, you're gonna do it for me, right? And you're gonna tell me. So I know this is a little bit difficult virtually. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say little hand on then the number, and then the big hand on whatever minutes. Okay? So that's how we're gonna read it out loud. So Robert,
Yeah.
little hand, where does it go?
An hour.
What's the hour?
3.
Small hand.
3.
The small hand, and what number is it gonna go on?
It's on the can.
All right, let me see what worksheet you're on. Okay, so let's look at the number again that's in the bottom.
Oh, this one.
Very good. So where does the little hand go?
On the 12.
Oh.
30.
Where does the little hand, so what number is the hour? What's the first number?
6.
Are you on number one? Do you see the number one with the clock?
Oh, I see what you're doing. You're doing the example.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. No, it's okay. It's okay. You see right next to the right?
Yeah, that's number one. I see now.
So what is the correct time for the hour shorthand?
12.
12.
No.
So you see below, right? Look at my screen. Look at me. Right. So you see on the below the clock, there's.
That's it.
Put your papers down, CJ.
I did.
All right. So you see right here, the number before the 2 dots. That's the hour, guys.
Okay.
Then the numbers after the 2 dots are the minutes. So you know what Kate explained. When it says the 00, what does that mean? It's supposed to face the 12.
It's a 60 seconds.
Yeah.
It's at 60
o'clock is that? Yep.
Correct. Correct. CJ, just so Robert could look at the screen. So if the long hand is explaining the minutes and it's going on the 12 o'clock, what does the hour, what number is the hour at on your paper?
An hour is shorthand.
Is the shorthand, but what number? It's saying that what's the
Number 1.
Yeah.
Right. 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Good job. So show me what 1 o'clock looks like
It's 1 o'clock.
with the shorthand. Where does the shorthand go face?
1.
Yeah.
Good. That's a
Good job.
Where's the minute hand again?
1 o'clock.
That's the hour, but where is the minute hand pointing to? I forgot.
The shorthand is pointing to the 1.
So the shorthand's the hour hand, and it's pointing to the 1. Thank you. But where's that minute hand, the long hand pointing?
The long hand is pointing to the 12.
Oh, that's right. Thank you, Robert.
I
12,
got it.
1 o'clock. Okay. I got it.
You got it, Kate?
I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thomas, you want to do the number 2? What time is it on the clock saying below?
Number two, right here.
Oh, not that.
That's all right. Both of the hands are on the 6, so that means it's 6:30.
Good job.
Bingo.
Oh, man.
I answered it quick.
Yeah, you did.
Your sound cut out a little bit, Ashley.
Yeah, I was about to say that, Kate. Thank you. I was just about to tell her.
You guys hear me now?
Yeah.
It's cutting out kind of little.
I hear Ashley either.
Say something again.
Okay. So who's
Are you saying something, Ashley?
No, I'm not. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah, now we
I hear
can.
you.
Much
Yeah, we
better.
hear you.
I hear you.
Thank you.
Then what's number 3?
Who's
The
doing?
long hand's on the 8 and the short hand's on the 6.
All right. Very good, Carrie.
Wait, look at it again.
Wait, no.
What'd
you
you
said
say?
The long hand's on the 8 and the short hand's on the 6.
Think about that one again. We
Wait.
said the shorthand is on the hour.
Okay, the short hand's on the 8 and the long hand's on the 6.
Good job.
Good job. Very good.
Hey.
I had to correct myself on that one. Sorry.
It's okay.
It's all right. I'm done.
You want to do number 4 all the way to the left? The 5:30, Jason? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Jason, 5:30. What does that look
5:30.
like? Shorthand on what?
5 on, it's the 6 and the 5. 5.
It's
Shorthand on what?
Hand on the 5.
And the long hand on? What number does the long hand go on?
The 6.
Good job.
Good job.
oh, the 6.
Very good. Gabe, you want to do number 5? Shorthand?
Yeah, shorthands on the 12 and the long hands on the 6.
Good job. Thank you.
Hey.
Woohoo!
DJ, you want to do number 6?
Yes.
Actually.
I got it. It's on the 10.
Shorthand?
It's on the 6.
Nope, you said it right the first time.
Oh, 10.
What time is it? Is 10 what?
It's on the minute hand.
What? Okay.
Sorry.
Right?
Sorry. Huh?
And you said the shorthand is on the 10.
Yeah.
Where is
Right.
longhand at?
On the. Oh, it's on the 6.
No. Take a look at it again. So what minutes does the 6? Jose?
Yeah.
That's the half hour or 30
Oh, the
minutes.
half hour.
Right. And then, thank you,
Right.
Jose, you said, CJ, that it's
Yeah.
10 o'clock. So there's
Right.
no minutes. So when there's no minutes and it's just
Right.
0, what
Uh-huh.
does the long hand face or go toward?
Oh, it's below on the 6.
Nope. Let's bring out my clock again.
Uh-huh.
Look at my clock, CJ.
Yeah, I see it.
So you said it's 10 o'clock
Yeah.
You said that you said the 6 is 30,
Right.
but it's not 30. Where
Right.
do you see o'clock on the clock that I have here?
On the 10 right there. It's right there.
No, the 10 is 50. Let's move a little bit further to the 12. Do you see that?
Yes, it. Yeah, I see it. I see it now.
So where does the long hand supposed to face?
On the 12.
Yeah. On that o'clock.
Oh, black.
Good job. Very good.
Boy.
All right, Amanda?
Can I do the next one?
Yes, you may. You want to do 7? So where does the
Okay.
short hand go, Amanda?
Okay, this the shorthand is point. What number?
7.
Number 7.
7.
Okay, 7. Okay, I got it. The shorthand point to the 6.
No, you said it. You said the first number right.
11.
Yeah. That's your hour, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
And then the
and then the shorthand point to the 6.
Well, the shorthand was the hour, remember? The shorthand's your hour at 11. So
Yeah,
your longhand's your minutes.
yeah.
So you got your shorthand at your 11, and where's your longhand go for the minutes?
To the
What
11.
represents 30 minutes
What?
on the clock? Where's 30 minutes on the clock? Because it's 11:30, right? You got your
Yeah.
hour in. So
Yeah,
you got your 11 and your shorthand pointing to the hour 11. But where's
Yeah.
that minute hand going to go for the 30 minutes? Where's that on the clock? Where's a half hour on the clock?
It said 11:30 on the
Yeah,
bottom.
11:30. So where's the minute hand go? I'm sorry to mess you up. Go ahead.
Okay, you Kate.
And you got, I'll backtrack. You got your hour hand on your 11. Now where are you
Yeah.
going to put your minute hand?
That's not off.
I'm trying to fold.
You said it, Amanda. You said it.
Yeah, you did say it earlier.
You said
Mhm.
11, and then what was the other number you said?
It is
You said 6.
It's okay. Can I say it?
Yeah.
Okay. It is the shorthand point to the 11, right?
Mhm.
And then the shorthand, the longhand point to the Go ahead. The shorthand point to the 6.
All right. I knew you knew that.
You know why, Kate?
Yeah.
My mom teach me to have time.
Yeah, I know you knew it. It's hard to get it out though. Sometimes it's hard to say it or think about it, isn't it? But it's nice to practice.
You know what? Hey, Kate.
Yep.
So let's see who's going to do the next one. Good job, Amanda.
Thank you.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Okay, very well. Let's see, the time is 3:30. Your hour is 3, between the 3 and the 4 exactly. And then the long arm on the clock is pointing down to the 6.
Excellent.
Great. You want to do number 9, and then Taylor does number 10. Richard,
me?
number 9?
Yeah, so 2:30 is the shorthand goes to the 2,
Very good.
and then the longer hand goes to the 6.
Beautiful. Loving it.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Taylor, number 10?
The the 4 and the log hand goes to the 6.
Beautiful.
Good job.
Woohoo!
Awesome. All right, let's work on our last one. And this one, it's already telling us the time. Now we have to fill in with the numbers.
Right.
To read the clock.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these.
Carrie,
Me too.
first one.
12:15.
Is she right, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Good job. Jose?
This one is,
That's a you.
oh,
Yeah.
3:35.
Go on here.
Good job.
Good job.
Come on, man.
What time did he say?
Robert, you want to read the next one?
Sure.
That's a you.
5:45.
Good job, buddy. Woohoo! That's my boy.
Good job. All right. Ashley?
5:45.
No.
5:45.
The next one over, honey.
That's one over 11:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, woohoo!
Thomas? The bottom one, second row, first one. Thomas?
I know what it is. It is 125.
Good job.
Woohoo!
DJ, you want to do the next one?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, it says 2:30.
No. Let's look at that one a little closely. Robert, make sure he's reading the correct clock.
I see it.
Huh?
I see it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So it's on the it's on the 9.
Yep.
And the long hand is facing what?
On the 2.
And what does the 2 mean now?
2:30. I think.
How many minutes?
How many minutes?
2 minutes.
So if the 5 is
Oh,
meaning
right, the
5
5, right.
minutes,
Uh-huh.
the 10, and we're adding 5 more to that 5, it's
Right. It's
9.
It's 2. Yeah.
It's 2, but it means
It's
10
2.
minutes.
It's 10 minutes.
So it's 9:10.
9:10.
Very good.
Yes.
Taylor, you want to do the next one?
Yes.
9.
Nope, this
Yes.
one.
Oh, at 7:50.
Beautiful.
Good job.
Kevin?
7.
See how it's not up to the o'clock yet, so it's not actually 8 o'clock.
Right.
So it's edging up to be pointing right at the 8 once the minute's at the 12.
Right.
Kevin, you want to read
Those
the
are
last
tricky.
one?
7:25.
Yeah.
Very good. That was so good, Kevin. Good job.
Woo!
7:25.
I think that's it.
I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my page.
Right? You. Yeah.
Okay, does anybody have any questions or concerns?
No.
Oh,
No. So good. Oh, can you see my shirt? Like it? My hip, baby.
I think you
hey,
guys-
Thomas, where's Kim?
Thank you.
See Kim.
Thank you. Take care.
Who's there?
Huh?
You guys did a great
Thank you.
job. Do you guys have any questions?
No.
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 Okay, hold on. We have 2 questions, so let's give her the Ashley.
Right.
When we do get back, if we ever do get back,
All right, give me 1 second. Hold on. Is there any questions for the lesson we did today?
No.
No.
Ashley,
No.
Amanda, do you have a question on the lesson?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
what's your question?
Yeah, I do have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Can I go ahead and answer it?
She
Right.
said to have you answer your question.
Okay, you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Nancy, you can hear me?
Yes, what's your question?
Okay, when I come back from Inspire
All right.
4,
Give me 1 second. We're gonna end our video, so let's say bye.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Take